Hi guys, so this is another video of me shooting. I'm trying to fly this drone, and I'm going to show you how to fly this drone very well. So now this is the drone, and this is your controller. I've paired them together. So I'm also going to drop a video of your settings and how to pair them. So if I should click this button here, there's a small button here. If I should click this button, it will tell you to take off. It will tell you to take off. So let's take off with the button. So let's take off. Let's take off with the button now. Let's go. Well done. So I'm currently flying the drone. You can see it's very easy. All you just need to do is you need to know the controls. You use the left stick and the right stick. The right stick is to go up and down, while this left stick is to move forward and to move back. But depends on the side you position. That's the side that, or the angle you will get your drone shot. So that's it. Bro. So let's head. We are going to inside my estate now. So let's go.
Something further.
Huh?
Something further.
Oh wait. Huh?
Right.
No, not right. This thing, Abi.
Okay.
Thank you. So I'm a drone pilot.
Joshua. Joshua.
So let's head into my estate. This is my estate. So let's head into my estate. Mr. Kenny. What is that?
They record like that.
No, I just the practice me here. If I want record, I will just click here if I want record. So that's how you fly a drone. It's very easy to fly a drone, and once you get a drone, just master the settings. The left stick is to move forward and backwards, while the right stick is to take off, to go up or to come down. That's all. I will also drop other functions like the back button is to change landscape or horizontal or portrait, while these buttons like knob is to move the angle. So let's go.